Hello, guys. Welcome to Sun Insurance and Logistics. Coming live today. Today, I wanted to show you on how you are going to post a load. And if you have ever wondered how the brokers are posting loads, I want to use the Sylectus load board to show you how the loads are being posted. I'm very sure that most of you book loads. You go to selectors and you search loads for day or week, and you've been wondering how are they posting these loads. So let me walk you through to kind of give you an idea on how these loads are being booked. If you are new to this channel, please consider to subscribe after watching this video. Welcome, and let's get started. Selectors, load board. After you log in, you go to load board, and on the load board, which is right here, you go to post a new load. So on this page here, what you see is a load board to manage posted orders. So to post a load, you have to fill in the necessary information needed. So the first one is the pickup city. If, for example, you want to pick a load from, let's say, Chicago, you type Chicago there, and then, sorry. So the first one is pickup city. Let me use Madison, and then you come to the city where it is found, the state where it is found. This is Wisconsin. You say Wisconsin over there, and over here on the calendar you select the date. So let's go ahead and choose just on the 5th of which is a Wednesday. Okay, and then the pieces according to how many pieces you have. For example, if you have 2 pieces, you say 2 pieces, which is right here, or there's a drop down menu. If it's pieces, if it's skids, tabs, dots, racks, barrel, or bags. So wherever it is, the way it's packaged, this is what it means. So you select from the drop down menu. And this one is very important. You have to say how much weight is this freight. If, for example, it's 2,000 pounds, you say it's 2,000, and the measurements are usually in the United States, they use pounds. But in some other countries, you can use kilograms, depending on what country you are in. So once we say the pickup city is Madison, Wisconsin, they want a zip code. So I had typed here, so this one came here by default. But if not, then you have to type the zip code of this area. And they want you to select the verb. So the verb, you are describing when, how soon do you need to pick up. If it's as soon as possible, ASP. Direct, it means right away. So if we say as soon as possible, and This is very important. You have to give the dimensions of this shipment. Let's say, for example, it's 48 by 48, and the height, let's say, is 51. So this is the height, the width, and this is how tall is the freight. So everything here is in inches, and you have an option to say feet, depending on how the actual the flight is, the measurements. So once you do that, you go to the drop of city. So if this city, if this one you wanted it to go to, you wanted to go to what city can, let's say you wanted this one to go to Chicago. Chicago, Illinois. You look for Illinois, you type Illinois, and the zip code for Illinois is a 606 uh, 1, let's say 19. The verb, let's say direct. Can say direct, but the direct means the flight, they don't want you to stop somewhere unless you're stopping for gas or something. They want you to take it straight through, straight shot. And then we do have the posting information. So you have to select load type. What kind of load type is this? Is a bunch of information you have to read. For example, if this is an expedited load, so you do that and select the expedited. Whatever you want to select is over here. If it's a sprinter, wherever it is, you select over there. And then this way, this one is a reference. This is like the pro number and the order number. So you can select whatever order number you want, 6543, and you have to tell the posting, this post expires, you have to give a time. For example, this one is showing me it's going to expire on in 28 in at 12:28. That's midnight. So over here, this is where you put the money. Some brokers they don't put the money, but if you really wanted to put the money, so you will have to find the distance from Madison, Wisconsin to Chicago, Illinois, which is about 150 miles. So when you are advertising, before people start bidding, you may want to leave this one open to get open bids, or sometimes some brokers they put like 300 $300, and here they want you to select the vehicle size. So we have cargo van, small straight, large straight, tractor, and flatbed. Let's say we wanted to post this load for a cargo van. We select the cargo van, or if we wanted a small straight, you have to select if you wanted dock high level or not. If you wanted CSA or fast or low, you have to pick up, check mark wherever you want. Let's say a small straight. And this is a posting, average speed 45. Sometimes the computer comes by default. Override mouse is not, you don't have to do anything over there. And the notes, this is the notes you put according to your customer. If the customer needs Teams only, you tell they need a team only. If the customer needs must have straps and load bars, you put the notes wherever notes they need, you need there, so that it can be shown. So you check everything before you post, and if you see that everything is good over here, additional email notifications. Do not send email notifications. Send email to everyone in the additional mail list. This one is very important if you want to send this one to carriers who are in your subscription, so that they can be able to get the email and bid from there. And this one really helps because it gives you a chance to get so many bids and select the bid which you feel is the bid you like. Of course, every broker they wanted to maximize, um, profits. So the lowest bid, I guess that's what they go for. They want to make more money. And so if you don't want to send additional emails, you select wherever you want. If you want this one, select. Um, Send an email to the following groups. You select that. But if you don't want, you click over there. And then the next thing, if everything is good. Oh, I forgot one thing around here. Hazard estimate, this is hazmat. So you have to declare if this shipment or this flight needs a vehicle which is hazmat certified, or they have a permit. But if they don't, then you don't have to check mark. You leave it there. And then the next thing is you say continue. When you say continue, if you don't see any red or any mistake, then you see this one which says post order, turns green, post order. This is you are ready to post. And since I'm just making a video to show you guys, I wasn't doing this one for real. I was just doing for the purpose of this video. So once you press this button, you will be taken to another page where this order has been posted, and this page is going to look like this one on the manage posted orders. If I go back there and try to search and load from let's say Madison City, within a radius of 100 miles, and I will say this one was Wisconsin, and any state for tonight. Then if I say search, so wherever you see here, if the load was posted, you will be able to get it here in selectors. But since I didn't not post, I want to be able to see. But I just wanted to show you that this is after it's being posted. Everything you see here is what is going to come to your selected load board. And from here, you should be able to click on it. If, for example, you like this load, you click on it, you see the information, and then you should be able to copy the email. And once you copy the email address, you go and do it and send the email to the broker who posted. But if you wanted to see more information like the one we were saying, you see, it brings you to this page, the page I was showing you earlier. So the broker who posted this lot, they have all the information I was showing you on how to post, and this is the way it's gonna look like. For example, this one was posted from the pickup was Elk Grove Village, Illinois, and then pick up as soon as possible. The same way I did that one. So basically, that's what it takes when you want post a load. And if you have been wondering like how this broker posting this load, what it's not a hard thing if you are planning to become a broker or wondering. I hope this video is for you. And guys, let me know what you think. Uh, Drop the comments in the comment section and give me thumbs up if you like this video, share, and subscribe to help this channel. It will be a motivation for me to make more video to help the truckers out there and other people who want to learn more things. So thank you for your time. I'm gonna close here, and I hope you enjoyed. And I will see you in the next video. Bye bye for now, and thank you.